Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
Hi mommies, most of you are working pregnant mothers. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary from Kashi, will give you tips for working pregnant women today. It is so important to take care of your health, especially during this time. Women are now entering in every workplace, whether it is being a pilot, in the corporate world, health sector, sports, you name it, and we are there. In pregnancy, you have to be extra careful about your health conditions. Serious attention should be paid to your food, sleep, and exercise to cope up with the discomforts in pregnancy. Getting pregnant does not mean that you stop working, although it is a very delicate state of health when you need to be a little cautious. Working up until the start of labor is possible for a woman who is experiencing a normal, healthy pregnancy. You can, however, opt to cease working whenever you want to. Some of you choose to quit working several weeks before your due date, while some of you will continue to work even if you are in the early stages of labor. By remembering a few things, working pregnant moms-to-be can take care of their health at work. Eat well. This is something so important. Women should frequently eat short and balanced meals to stay energized and avoid hyperacidity. It is advisable to avoid fasting or keeping long gaps between the meals, as it may make pregnant women feel inactive and tired. It's also possible that your ability to focus on the work will reduce. Eat nutritious snacks like sliced raw vegetables, fruits, salads, curd, jaggery, rich protein dals, sprouts, soya, milk, egg, and whatever you like, but it should be very nutritious. A pregnant woman should also consume at least 4 servings of calcium every day. Folic acid and omega-3 supplements are also important to keep your mental health and physical health in control. They're also necessary for the proper development of your little one. Sleep well. Heavy work pressure leads to sleep deprivation, and during pregnancy it might adversely affect your health and the health of the unborn baby. With proper sleep, you can handle your pregnancy really well. With good sleep, an expecting mother can avoid long-term harmful consequences for yourself and your baby's health. During pregnancy, sleep disorders like insomnia can lead to health problems that include gestational hypertension, preeclampsia, gestational diabetes, preterm birth, and fetal growth disorders also. I will say that 7 to 9 hours of good sleep is strongly recommended for all of you, especially all those who are working, and nearly 8 hours in office with all that fatigue, you need that extra rest. And this is what the research says. If you sleep on the left side, it is even better. Sleeping on your back might cause the uterine blood flow to decrease, and which can reduce the blood flow. So sleep on the left side, it would be more comfortable. Wear comfortable clothes. Being comfortable is one of the most important things in pregnancy. In your office, the working environment might make you feel a little uneasy if you're wearing very tight clothes. So choose appropriate clothing. Choose an attire that allows you to breathe freely and move around in the office effortlessly. Avoid high heels and wear soft fabrics. Wearing unflattering clothing might put pressure on your fetus. It might make you feel uneasy and even decrease your work efficiency. Seating arrangements at the workplace. It is important to ensure that during pregnancy, working women's seating arrangement is very, very comfortable. This can be done by resting your back and neck on a tiny pillow. While working on a computer, keep your hands on the armrest and maintain a safe distance. Taking frequent small breaks is very important. Like every hour you can get up, move around a little bit and just stretch so that you feel a little more energized. You can also recharge by sitting for a few minutes with the lights turned out, your eyes closed, and your feet up. Take breaks and exercise during work. Don't work at a stretch. During pregnancy, you must avoid working non-stop. So take a break. Get some fresh air by going on a stroll. You can even stand close to a window and just do deep breathing. This will increase your blood circulation and help you avoid heartburn and acidity also. Sitting for long periods can result in backaches, stiffness in the neck, stiffness in your arms, and stiffness in your legs also. So, I will tell you simple ways to stay fit and active during the workday. 1. Every hour, go for a 5-minute stroll. 2. When you're at your desk, gently stretch your arms, shift your chair, and stretch your legs as needed. 3. Take at least 2 to 4 minutes to practice deep breathing. And something that is really important is keep yourself hydrated when you're working. Thank you and namaste.